Okay. I love them and I miss them, but I have to go on for me. I have to find my own purpose. I have to enjoy my life. Don't let your life end because others have come to the end of their time here on this earth. And that's what I'm going to say about that. Don't let whatever problems sap you from your joy, you know? Even when you're alone, even when your thoughts may go to dark thoughts, these are the times where you have to say, no, 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 that's mindset shift, moving that negativity. Sometimes I even have to open my door and say, negativity, get out of here. Okay, you don't belong in this space. This space is for positivity, it's for encouragement, it's for uplifting. We must uplift ourselves. We must encourage ourselves. We must maintain and be our own personal best, not what other people want, not because other people want to control us, but because we believe in ourselves and we know our why. So I say that to all of you, all of this chat family, no matter what you're going through today, I want you to tell yourself, today I am enough and every day I am enough. I have a purpose, I have value, I have meaning. And even if I may be alone, I am mighty. I am strong. I am courageous. And there's nothing that I can't do. There's nothing that you can't do. So don't stay in the negative. Don't allow other people to get you down. Don't be discouraged. Get out there. Apply some of these 7 things that I talked about in today's podcast message. I hope that it will uplift you, encourage you, fortify your mind, okay? Because what we think is what we do, and what we do is what we become. You've tuned into Marlene Saunders show, where we have real talk, real conversations, and you're welcome to it. If it's your first time here, hit the like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and share this message with a friend that needs some upliftment, encouragement, positivity, all of those things. Hey, Metro, I'm about to get out of here, and everybody else, I hope you enjoyed the message today. Thank you so much. And if you are tuning in just now live, make sure you go back, watch the replay. And those of my replay gang, replay chat family that are run my playlist, I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much. Keep your head up. Hey, Mike, how are you? Welcome. Good to see you. Keep your head up. Be positive and take care of you. Don't ever give up. Okay? Don't ever give up 5 minutes before your miracle, right before you're supposed to get to your next level, right before you're supposed to get your blessings. Some people we keep in our life forever. Some people were just a transition and to give you what you needed, to teach you something, to grow you up. But people move out of our life. But be happy within. Be happy with yourself. Love yourself and be your best. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. And if you have not hit the like on the way in, please hit the like on the way out. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And I don't want any one of you to stay in discouragement. Do not be discouraged, okay? We're all allowed to have moments of discouragement. Hi, Winter Girl, how are you? We're all entitled to feel a certain way because that's a part of being human. But don't stay in that. Don't allow others to get you down. Wake up every day, positive, doing your best, being your best. If you need to cry, scream, shout, pray, but do whatever you need to. Phone a friend, but encourage yourself. Turn on some nice music and enjoy some vibes. Get out there. Give back to others. But don't just sit there and say, I'm alone, feeling sorry for yourself. Get out there. Enjoy your life. There's so many people that you need to reach and to meet. Use your life. Be a testimony. Be an encouragement to others. Okay? Love on yourself. Okay? Even when others don't. I'm Marlene of Marlene.